Hey y'all, it's Rex. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. I'm heading down to Lake Conroe, fishing up the docks again, because the creeks, well, they're not doing good. Fish aren't biting there, so I'm gonna go down to something a little bit more reliable, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Well, y'all, I had to turn out the camera for a second, but I got a big old bluegill. Bite's been real slow, y'all. Woo. I don't know what this is. Big old bass. 2 pounder. Nah, not even a 2 pounder. Look at the black lips on him. Got black lips. No, on a jig.
On jig?
Yeah,
really?
on a jig.
Oh, yeah.
It's got black lips on him. It's weird. Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh, yeah.
Them pink jig heads, man. Yeah, on a jig. Blue cat. That's a 12. It's going home. I don't know what that is. It feels like a catfish or a bass. It's cat, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he didn't swallow that. It's gone. Yeah, I don't seem like the bite's set on fire or anything. So, bite's slowed down out here too on Conroe. Man, that's a slight bite. It ain't nothing special.
Bass.
That's a bass, ain't it? Oh, look, the black lips.
Yep.
His whole face is black. He got a black, look, he got a black face on him. Just like the other one.
I almost fell over my chair going in the hole, dude.
I guess that's what happens when you get old.
Yeah, right?
Kind of a lesser haul of the day, y'all, but I got something delicious to cook at. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep it real simple today. I'm gonna do some catfish tacos. I also got that bluegill flayed out too, and I might cook that later if I'm still hungry. But I got these beautiful fillets out here. Blue cat. Honestly, it's one of my favorite fish to eat, freshwater wise, anyways. Hit it up with some Tony's, no salt. I always use the no salt, y'all. Cumin. Some salt. Some garlic. Let's drop her in. While the catfish is cooking off or finishing off, I'm gonna heat up these tortillas. Toast both sides. All right, y'all, tortillas all done. I'm gonna scoop this fish in. Hopefully it don't break, but it don't matter if it does or not. It's all gonna get eaten. All right, y'all. Now, I'm gonna dress it up with some cabbage. I know you could do a slaw-like cabbage, but no, I didn't want to waste my time. I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of cabbage. I like cabbage with my fish tacos. Some tomatoes. Expensive avocados. Now my go-to sauce for tacos, burritos, it's definitely this guacamole salsa from Herdez. I always have this stuff around. Wish y'all could smell that sauce and this right here. It's amazing. This is actually homemade pepper sauce. It's made out of habanero. Actually, 3 kinds of peppers, Thai chilies. It has a bunch of good stuff in there. It has peaches. I made it with peach. It's been fermented for a while, and the more it sits, the better it tastes, y'all. I gotta save this recipe right here. This is good. I got green onion, cilantro, and actually white onion on here. Dress it up a little bit. That's what I'm talking about right there. You know that's gonna be good, y'all. Catfish tacos, definitely a hit. I didn't have a whole lot of time to cook. Tacos is like the easiest thing to cook. And really you can't go wrong, y'all. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll catch y'all in a bit. She's on the prowl for some squirrels, I'm thinking. Boy, those tacos are really good. I'm up at my tree stand right now, just relaxing. Just taking in nature, y'all, and watching the wildlife and just being outside. Clear my thoughts. But the fishing's been absolutely terrible. I don't know what's going on with it. Everything all at once just shut down. But I'd give it a couple more days or a couple more weeks, and we'll be looking good again, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed yourself. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. It keeps you up to date with all my stuff, and it's absolutely free, y'all. So that's all for now. Catch y'all later.